After 3 weeks in hell of UA exams and studying and all that preparations, I'm finally done. I did 1,000,000 credits worth in exam and I am done. So because I knew that exams were going to be hectic, I went ahead and put my hair in a protective style. But somewhere along the line, the style stopped being protective. So this is what my hair looks like. It looks neglected, very dry and very brittle. So I'm going to be focusing on rehydrating it, moisturizing it, and I'm going to use a deep conditioner and lots of coconut oil. Alright, so I'm going to be using these things, a comb, the two-sided comb thing, a very, very white tooth comb, and a diamond brush. I also have the moisture rich conditioner that came in the package when I dyed my hair, and I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair with Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar from Shea Moisture. And I guess we all know what this is. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just get my hair wet, and then it doesn't look as awful as it did earlier, just with some water. So the next thing I'm going to do is add a conditioner to my hair. You can use any conditioner as long as it gives you a good slip. I'm going to use some Cantu just because, I mean, not serious. And you can see the hair is starting to separate by itself. And then I'm going to put my hair into sections and then try to get it out. So, alright. So you can see it's twisted. And I'm just going to separate it from the twist. And then just twine it in the opposite direction. So you don't want to run your fingers through it and just drag it. You just want to twine it in the opposite direction, and eventually it will just pop out of the twist. I'm going to do the same thing here. You can just feel the twist and you know what way it goes. I just twist it in the opposite direction. See? So now it's fluffy again. So now feel for another one. And then first I want to separate the twist by just rolling in the opposite direction as far down as I can go, and separate the two, and then feel for the individual twist and roll in the opposite direction. You don't want to pull the hair and tug at it, you just want to keep rolling until it gets smooth and it will open up on its own, pretty much like that. Roll in the opposite direction. And then once I get a big enough section, I just twist it together again. And you don't want to lose too much hair, so you want to just be careful with the hair. Okay, so after I detangled everything, I just kind of use my fingers to go through to feel if there's anything that's still stuck in the tangled phase. So I just comb through with my fingers and just kind of feel the roots to see if there's any tangles that I may have missed. Like right here, it kind of still wound up together. Just gonna loosen that out. So I forgot I wasn't in a movie and water actually gets in your eyes when you rinse your hair. But alright, so I'm going to shampoo with the Shea. What's that name again? I forget to read. Yeah, so I'm gonna be washing my hair with this. It's a Cream of Nature Shea and Mango shampoo. If your hair is excessively dry and you're going to shampoo, you don't want something that's very harsh, which is why I'm using this. It's not very harsh, it just gets the job done without making your hair feel like trash. I'm doing a final comb through with leave-in conditioner. That's the same Cantu leave-in conditioner that I had used in the beginning. Then I just follow up with a Denman brush to make sure everything is all nice and smooth. And then after that, I just twist it to get it away from the rest of the hair. And then I basically did this to my entire head. So in comparison to how my hair looked at the beginning of the video, you can tell that this has worked. It looks 100% better. It looks hydrated, moisturized, it's even snapping back, and it's curly. So we obviously did a good job today. Good save my side. This is what my hair looked like before. It was very dry, very brittle, and honestly it was a mess. However, afterwards it looks very hydrated, very moist and fluffy. And here's a picture of the final product. For more hair care videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.